Gingerbread.
Good?
Ginger molasses, very good. Good morning, good afternoon, I guess we should say now. I'm going to head out to grab some ingredients that we need to make sweet potatoes. I'm doing sweet potatoes 2 ways for Christmas dinner. And MacKenzie's gonna get started on her Christmas baking, so things are in full swing here in our household. Also, the best thing happened to me today. Last night I finished the first book in the Heated Rivalry series on my Kobo, and I wanted to start the second one immediately. I went to go look on Libby, which is like a library app, and normally with any sort of popular book, there's a million holds on them. I know this only because a couple weeks ago when I got my library card, I looked into Libby and looked into these Heated Rivalry books. And so of course, every single book in the series, like every other popular book right now, it has like 26 weeks worth of holds on it, except for the audiobook of the second book. So I downloaded it, I'm listening to it. It was freaking meant to be. All of them have holds, and except for this one. I don't know if it was a glitch or what. I'm back at Canadian Tire again, one more time, because Mackenzie saw a really good knife sharpener on sale for like $11. So I'm gonna see if I can find that for those two. Because I have a lot of sweet potatoes to chop up. I can find where all the other Master Chef stuff is here. But I'm not seeing the knife sharpener. Oh, I think this is it. Honestly, much smaller than I was expecting, but as long as it does the job, cute. I also grabbed a potato peeler, very important for peeling sweet potatoes, and cutting board, which I need, and Mackenzie called to ask for a whisk, so it's good I was still at Canadian Tire. No one in this store knows I'm listening to gay hockey smut. Alright, next I'm gonna get the stuff to make my sweet potatoes 2 ways. I'm doing a sweet potato casserole, like the mashed sweet potatoes with a marshmallow sort of casserole on top. And then I'm also gonna do a chopped and roasted sweet potatoes that has like a caramelized dressing sauce. Caramelized glazed sauce, not dressing. Canola oil, some cream, and of course, the yams. Good thing I left the potatoes for the end. I also grabbed a tray for my yams. The holiday baking continues today. I can confirm this dough tastes delicious as well. I just tried it. It seriously feels so weird to be not wearing layers and layers of clothes to go running, because for weeks, months now, I've been having to bundle up. And I've been still wearing like pants, but just a t-shirt down at the gym. And then yesterday people down there were wearing shorts, and I was like, yeah, why am I not wearing shorts? It's hot in here. So this is a benefit of indoor running. See you after. Okay, I came upstairs to a first holiday cookie test. Homemade Oreo, I think?
Yeah.
Homemade Oreo with an icing, yum.
Cream cheese icing.
Mmm. Wow. That's a hit. Really fudgy. It's true.
Fudge-tastic, some would say.
Nothing better than a fudgy cookie. Comment if you agree. Alright, the time has come. If you've been following Vlogmas, you know the ingrown hair journey. It's doing a lot better. Thank goodness. I think I'm gonna shave. The time has come. It's starting to drive me crazy. I need a fresh start for the holidays. That feels better. I have 16 large yams, maybe too many, but we won't have a shortage of yams and sweet potatoes at the party. And I'm doing 2 ways, so you need to have enough.
For meal prepping yams.
Meal prepping yams. This is starting off 2026 as a healthy queen.
With yam and marshmallows and yam and butter sugar.
With my caramelized yams. Let's get to work. 16 yams.
Can you move out of the way? Sorry.
Oh my gosh. This was terrible timing on my part.
It really was. Honestly.
I was just gonna just show off my yams. Mackenzie's making Christmas crack. If you know, you know.
Yeah, this was a request. And I had like set up the station here so nicely. And then I was like, I thought you were going to be doing it over there. Then I look over and I'm like this.
Well, this is my yams. This is the Christmas crack. Thanks for coming out. We've had a very successful cooking time. I miss showing this bowl too. There's a lot of yams.
We gotta get the yams, man.
Okay, ooh, it smells so good. I'm gonna be having some of that crack.
Yeah, you'll have to taste test it.
Yes.